There's nothing wrong with getting older. It's looking older that's the problem. Unfortunately, much of what's around us works against us. Time and gravity, our environment, eating habits, sleep, and work routines all can leave you looking older than you feel, older than you actually are. Fine lines creep in, wrinkles sneak up, age spots appear out of nowhere, skin thins and sags. Cosmetics only cover up, they're superficial. You can make a surprising difference in your skin, safely, naturally, and noticeably. Introducing Defy Biotopical Age Intervention, the only bioactive-based approach to anti-aging. Defy Biotopicals deliver powerful bioactives, visibly reversing the signs of aging and helping you look younger and more radiant than ever. As you age, one of the biggest problems your skin faces is an imbalance of enzymes. Enzymes are the catalyst for building healthy, youthful skin, and a proper balance of enzymes is necessary to maintain healthy levels of collagen, elastin, and melanin. However, over time, your skin loses that optimal balance, resulting in a change in your skin's chemistry and a gradual weakening of the underlying skin matrix. That's when the signs and symptoms of aging set in. The powerful bioactives in Defy help restore a healthy balance of enzymes within the skin. Studies show that these bioactives inhibit enzymes like collagenase that weaken skin structure and loosen skin. They stimulate the production of collagen and elastin, which build and repair the skin matrix, and hyaluronic acid, which fills in the skin structure for a firmer, smoother appearance. And these bioactives reduce tyrosinase, which is responsible for age spots and discoloration. The potent bioactives in Defy are sourced naturally, so they are safe to use, but they're also scientifically proven to deliver real results: firmer, smoother, younger-looking skin. The Defy Biotopical Age Intervention System includes 3 highly effective biotopicals that work at the cellular level to solve the root causes of aging and restore a healthy balance of enzymes within the skin. Defy Age Erasing Serum targets fine lines, deep wrinkles, and age spots with a unique blend of bioactives, including peptides, Indian cress extract, and noni leaf, to strengthen and smooth your skin while evening out color and tone. Defy Renewing Eye Treatment visibly addresses dark circles, crow's feet, and aging skin around the eyes with an effective combination of bioactives, including gardenia, peptides, olive leaf extract, and noni leaf to illuminate your eyes. Defy Facelifting Night Cream lifts and reverses the appearance of sagging skin with the nourishing bioactive formula that includes oligosaccharides, oat kernel extract, and noni seed oil to moisturize and restore elasticity and create a firmer appearance.
Gives you beautiful skin, very soft, touchable, and clean.
Now you can take your age intervention to the next level. Defy Skincare Devices are advanced professional-grade tools that enhance the power of Defy Biotopicals. They are safe, easy to use, and deliver immediately noticeable results, all in the comfort of your home and at a fraction of the cost of professional treatments. Professional-grade Defy Ultraderm uses ultrasonic therapy to deep clean your face, as well as infuse Defy Biotopicals deeper into your skin to visually repair the signs of aging. Daily use of Defy Ultraderm leaves your skin looking and feeling firmer, cleaner, and more radiant.
Feels amazingly clean. I love it. Feels wonderful.
Spa Quality Defy Microderm uses patented deep exfoliation and suction technology to remove dead skin cells and stimulate blood flow and cell oxygenation. Weekly use of Defy Microderm exfoliates and invigorates your skin, revealing a smoother, brighter, and healthier complexion.
I can see my skin is so soft and rosy right now. I love it, actually.
Conventional wisdom says age gracefully. We say nonsense.
I've got my eyes on you.
Look younger and more vibrant at any age. Fight back with Defy.